Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make beer without yeast. While traditional brewing relies on specific yeast strains, it's possible to achieve fermentation using other methods. We'll explore how wild yeasts and certain bacteria can naturally ferment your wort, creating unique flavor profiles. This guide will walk you through the essential steps, from preparing your ingredients to monitoring the fermentation process, ensuring a successful brew without commercial yeast. Get ready to discover a different side of home brewing. Diving into alternative methods, one popular approach involves harnessing wild yeasts present on fruit skins, like grapes or berries. Simply add a small amount of fruit to your wort to kickstart fermentation. Another fascinating technique uses a sourdough starter, which contains a mix of wild yeasts and bacteria, imparting distinct sour notes. For the adventurous, spontaneous fermentation allows airborne microbes to inoculate your brew, though this method requires patience and careful sanitation to prevent unwanted spoilage. Regardless of your chosen method, sanitation is paramount to prevent off flavors and spoilage. Thoroughly clean and sanitize all equipment before brewing. Next, prepare your wort, ensuring it has the right balance of sugars and nutrients to support microbial activity. Once inoculated, maintaining a stable fermentation temperature, typically between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, is crucial for encouraging the desired microbes to thrive and produce alcohol. Patience is key, as these natural processes can take longer. Brewing without commercial yeast often results in beers with incredibly diverse and complex flavor profiles, ranging from tart and funky to earthy and fruity. Don't be afraid to experiment with various fruits, grains, and even spices to discover your unique signature brew. Remember, each batch will be a learning experience, so embrace the unexpected. For more brewing tips and to keep your car smelling fresh, check out the description below for links to little trees, black ice, and other great deals. Happy brewing!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.